Good morning and welcome to our 6. Okay? So 6 na to for the year. Palakpakan naman natin ang bawat isa. Welcome to our Bristol Subic Heritage Ride 2022.
Welcome to our 6th ride this year with the Bristol Aeros, and this time we are in Subic. I hope you guys can come along and join us next time. We have these heritage rides once a month. This is our longest ride this year, 400 kilometers in one day. So keep an eye out for more posts, and I hope to see you soon. All right, guys, there you have it. It's been a pleasure riding with all you Bristol Aeros here in Subic. Really a unique experience, especially sharing it for the first time with new Bristol Aeros. And again, you don't have to own a Bristol bike to join us. If you know someone who has one, come along and we'll see you next time. Thank you.